Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable Now Brief in Now Bar on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here is my Now Bar. Now it's shown also on the lock screen, and if you want to disable the Now Brief feature in this bar, you can do it. For that, just go to your phone to settings, and here go down and tap on lock screen and always on display, and here we have Now Bar. Okay, and here we have the live notifications. From here you can disable or enable whatever you want, and also if you go down we have Now Brief, and to disable it just tap here, and that's all. And also if you want to disable Now Bar in the lock screen, just tap on always on display, go down, and here we have show Now Bar. Tap here to disable it, and now doesn't appear anymore in the lock screen. So this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.